Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can clear the text formatting for your documents in Microsoft Word. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Microsoft Word. So what you want to do is access the document you would like to edit. And as you can see, I applied a custom formatting to that text here. I applied a custom font as well as a font size here. So now if I, for example, copy that format here, that format style, and apply it to that one or that part of the text here using the format painter, you will see that that text here, or that part or that line here will automatically apply the same format or formatting. So if you'd like to go back to the previous or default formatting, you may do that, for example, by highlighting the text. You applied the formatting accidentally, let's say, for example, and after that, simply click on Home here in the top or select the Home tab, and here in the font section, simply select or click on that icon here, Clear or Formatting. That is going to reinstate the normal or default formatting, as you can see, and that's all the magic behind this. As you can see, super simple, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.